Are you being crushed by credit card debt? Perhaps heartbroken after a terrible breakup? Or just not really enjoying The Last of Us Season 2? Well, I've got good news for you, which is that the universe is expected to decay into heat death and all life will cease in 10 to the 78th years, which is about 95% sooner than previously expected. This is a wild article I did not expect to read today. Many of you are familiar with the idea that scientists expect our universe to expand into basically low energy density nothingness until nothing can really exist anymore. But previously we thought that would take 10 to the 1100 years, which is this tiny little number over here. But according to new research, that's only going to be 10 to the 78 years. You may notice that even the exponent part of this is less than 1/10 of the other parts. So I'm just going to call it 95% faster to keep things a little bit simple. But the research was published by, let's go to this organization, Falk, Vondrak, and Sujelicom. I really know that I've butchered that. In the Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics, called An Upper Limit to the Lifetime of Stellar Remnants from Gravitational Pair Production, which I'm going to attempt to explain. Basically, a huge amount of this study is a reinterpretation and a reexamination of Hawking radiation. Hawking radiation is famously where Hawking disagreed with Einstein about black holes sucking up information forever. As it turns out, according to Hawking, and was later measured, black holes, through a really complicated process that we don't have time for, actually do emit particles of radiation over time. Here's a little, I guess, breakdown of it for the 12 of you that have a degree in particle physics. But the idea is that even black holes do decay. So these scientists got kind of interesting and started looking around, and they discovered that Hawking radiation also applied to regular white dwarf stars, which will take about 10 to the 78 years to decay if their math is right, and even to neutron stars, big heavy objects that we previously wouldn't think would have had a Hawking radiation being emitted from them, can and do, because it works with basically anything that has a gravitational field. Black holes and neutron stars decay even faster at 10 to the 67 years. And, well, if you were worried about the plot points of The Last of Us Season 2, don't worry. In a few quadrillion years, there won't be anybody around to complain anymore.